You can run multiple applications on the MaxiSys diagnostic system. Simply tap the multitask button on the right side of the screen to open up a multitask menu. Now you can freely switch among multiple applications. Let's begin. Start the MaxiSys system. Tap the diagnostic icon and access the vehicle OBD diagnostic menu. Select Auto Scan to run a full diagnosis of all vehicle systems. You can review the records of all DTCs and freeze frames. And if you need to check reference information, the MaxiFix database is always available. Just tap on the Multitask button to open a multitask menu and then select MaxiFix to begin a reference search. Follow the menu navigation and target the vehicle by selecting a specific year, make, model. Enter the DTC in the search bar. Select Search, and MaxiFix will provide detailed reference information and possible root causes of the issue. For some complicated diagnostic operations, you can get additional help from our training videos. To view a training video, use the Multitask menu to switch to the Training application. Tap on the Multitask button and then switch to the Diagnostic application. Exit the Diagnostic menu and access the data stream. You can save the page for reference later in the process. Tap on the Multitask button and open the Job menu. Select the Data Manager. Tap on the specific file type to view the stored information as an image, a PDF, a freeze frame, or as data logging. By using data logging, you can submit reports anytime you encounter a diagnostic issue. Our tech support team processes submitted user requests 24 hours a day through the support platform. To read tech support feedback, tap the Multitask button again and open the Job menu. Select the Support platform to log in. You can read feedback from technicians and have direct conversations with them in the Support platform portal. It's the quickest way to find solutions for your diagnostic issues. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions about our products, please visit our website or simply call us.